大家好，大家好，好，祝你生日生日快樂。Ana, Otongwa, for this celebration, what we have gathered now is very special for Ana and the family. And what we wish for you, you will see the future of our community here in Macau through your parents, through the association and the community. So what we wish for you is use your talent, your wisdom, continue your talent for studying, and we hope and we pray for all the best. Happy birthday to you. And also, okay, happy birthday, Ana.
Mr. and Mrs. Sonny and Sherry Subieto. Okay, Mrs. Subieto. Hello, happy birthday, Ana. Pasensya na wala si Sunny, kasi may pasok siya ngayon. So, all the best and always healthy. And again, happy birthday. This is my gift for you. Mr. and Mrs. Eric and Ellen Acuna. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ana, wish you all the best. And ang dito sa iyo ay diary. Dito mo isusulat, anak, yung happy and sad moments mo. At sana ay gustuhan mo. Ito, hindi ka niya ichichika. Magiging best friend mo to.
Yung pinastika
Happy birthday.
kay Perian.
Ana, regalo ay sapat sa'yo. You need to have to explore yourself.
Mr. and Mrs. Tito and Betty Abreu. Happy birthday, Ana. This is a birthday blessing for you. And for all the celebrations you get, may He grant you in whatever success in your life. Happy birthday.
Bilang bodyguard, pangyaw, your daddy, sa pastor, maligayang karawan sa at sana natin maligaya sa mga pagsulitang mga araw. At sa mga lukbanin, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Mr. and Mrs. Eduardo and Susan Go. Mr. and Mrs. Eduardo and Susan Go.
Ni hao? Sorry. Ni hao? Tôi xin hỏi thăm sinh nhật 快樂 happy sa passport.
Ana, 18 na, ha? Happy birthday na lang, ha?
Thank you.
Engineer, Mrs. Tom and Krisha Tagulaw. Ate, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in the new chapter of your life. On behalf of Troy, Thea, and Sam, maraming salamat.
Ako naman ha. Ana, happy birthday. Alam ko, malayo mararating mo kasi you have inherited the ways of your father plus the simplicity of your mother. So that alone, malaking puhunan na yan. Happy birthday.
Engineer, Mrs. Toto and Vanji Musa. Ana, happy birthday. Okay. First and foremost, I would like to say that you're a very lucky daughter having a father and of course a mom who are very responsible. And as what Tito Tom said, I also pray that you remain to be simple like your mom. You know, and we hope that you get what you wish for. Actually, all my kids are at home. They too are very happy to know that you're having your 18th birthday. Happy birthday, Anna.
Happy birthday, Ana.
Engineer Rolly Ramirez and Angels.
Ana, you look so gorgeous tonight, salamat sa handa mo, masarap. I wish you good health, better joy, and a bright future. Sangya tayo. Hindi natin. Ayun kita namin. Hemong, layo tumingin. Sangya tayo.
Engineer Roy Raz. Engineer Roy Raz.
Tinalo mo ako? Bago ang lahat, maligayang bati, Ana. Hindi pwede, pare, wala na akong sasabihin, sinabi na nila lahat eh.
Sasabihin ng anak ko.
Saka na lang kayo magkikita sa April next year.